If your machines sound like they're auditioning for a rock band, it's time to hit the right notes with our Tribology additive. Across the manufacturing landscape, machinery fatigue and breakdowns can lead to massive losses. But what if you could extend the life of your equipment and cut costs? Meet our innovative Tribology additive. When added to oil or grease, this game-changing solution reduces metal fatigue and even reverses metallic wear. Say goodbye to noisy, vibrating and power-losing machines. Extend the lifespan of your bearings, pistons and gears and reduce those hefty maintenance bills. And it's not just about cost savings. By extending the life of your machines, you're also contributing to a more sustainable future. Lower depreciation costs, reduce the need for new machinery, and lessen your environmental impact. From food and drink manufacturing to automotive, steel production, transport and robotics, our additive ensures optimal performance and durability. Let's enhance your operations with cutting-edge technology and drive a more sustainable future together.